Good morning, students. Our next one topic of lesson 8, framing of constitution and its features, is preamble. So first of all, we would be know what is preamble. So preamble is the core and important part of our constitution. अब इसे हम सिंपल वर्ड्स में इस तरह से समझ सकते हैं कि जैसे आपके जब स्कूल स्टार्ट होते हैं, आप बुक्स के साथ मार्केट से डाइजेस्ट परचेज करते हैं। क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि अगर आप किसी लेसन में प्रॉब्लम फील करते हैं तो यह रेफरेंस बुक होती है। इसी के साथ अभी जो मैं आपको वीडियो के साथ नोट्स व आंसर जो प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं, these all are known as reference. Similar like it, preamble is also known as reference of our constitution. So now if I or anyone ask from you that what is preamble, then you may give reply that preamble is the core and important part of our constitution, and second one, constitution begin with preamble, so it is known as the soul of constitution. When our constitution implement on us, it remains unchanged till 1976, because gradually India was changing due to modern technology. So thought of the thought of the people had also changed. So in 42nd amendments, our preamble had also changed and some words were added like socialist, secular, unity and integrity. Here socialist means government will decide many things which are important for the development and security of the country. Secular means in our nation all religion treated equally. Unity you will very known, and integrity means falling of boundary or boundness. So along with that we see this our country goal, ideas and objectives of the constitution in our preamble. In short, if anyone feel problem to understand or interpret the constitution, then it take help from preamble. Preamble gives us support to interpret or understand any law of our constitution. So we can see the constitution framer साइक is equal to preamble. यहाँ साइक का मतलब थॉट एंड फ्रेमर मीन्स जिन्होंने इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनाया है, उन्होंने 1947 के बाद जब इसे बनाना शुरू किया तो उन सारे असेंबली के मेंबर्स के माइंड में जो थॉट्स थे उसी बेस पर इसे शुरू किया गया था. सो वी कैन से दैट द प्रियम्बल रिफ्लेक्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फ्रेमर साइक. Now we take the importance of preamble. So first of all of its importance that it is the soul of constitution. Second one, help in understanding the laws. मीन्स अगर हमें किसी लॉज को समझने में प्रॉब्लम फील होती है तो प्रियम्बल्स गिव्स अस सपोर्ट एंड हेल्प. Third one, easy to interpret constitution and solve unclearness, that it gives clarity. मीन्स अगर हमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में किसी लॉज को समझने में क्लियरिटी नहीं है तो हम प्रियम्बल के बेस पे उस लॉ की क्लियरिटी कर सकते हैं. फोर्थ, प्रियम्बल इज नोन एज कंपास. यू नो व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ कंपास. Compass gives us direction to move. And last, fifth one, preamble is backed by or supported by high ideals or high goals. Next, pillars of preamble. So the word inscribed in the preamble are, here inscribed means it's already written down in preamble. So sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, justice, liberty, fraternity, and equality. So you can learn it easily by the letters or memory code by SSS RJLFE. In this chapter, we learn about three main pillars of our preamble. So let's start. First, democracy. What is the meaning of word democracy? The power is with the people. That means the rule is governed by ourselves, or we elect our representative and send them in parliament to make rule and govern ourselves. नो रूल ऑफ वन पर्सन मीन हमारे ऊपर एक पर्टिकुलर किंग और रूलर्स रूल नहीं करता है, वह पूरी असेंबली के द्वारा रूल बनाता है. थर्ड वन, नो पर्टिकुलर रीजन मीन्स किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर रिजाइम नहीं होगा. डेमोक्रेसी, द वर्ड इज डेराइव्ड फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड डेमोस means people and kratos means power. So definition of democracy is the system in which rule by the people, for the people and of the people for govern a country. So country's power is with the people and equal rights and justice for all of in this system for every one people. Next, leaders elected by the people choice. Executive means person who has limited power with specific limits and implement rule and regulation on us. So state and local government are elected by the people. Cabinet ministers, which are elected by us, responsible for parliament. Next, minister position is not hereditary, means if a person has a post of minister and his son not has the quality or ability of the same post, then he cannot made or choose a same post. The tenure of each government is 5 years and after 5 years new election held. Government work as per constitution, thus it is called responsible government. Now democratic government based on equality, liberty, fraternity, etc. So it working for achieve the goal to develop the country and power to what? To people themselves. मीन्स जो पीपल वोट देते हैं वह उन्हीं के पास में एक्चुअल पावर होती है डेमोक्रेसी के अंदर. थस पीपल गेट कॉन्फिडेंशियल लेवल बिकॉज क्योंकि अगर आप खुद वोट दे करके अपने चाहने वालों को या अपने आपको मालूम है कि यह आपकी कंट्री को इजीली और सही तरह से गवर्न कर सकता है, तभी आप उसे वोट देते हैं. तो आपके अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंट लेवल इंक्रीमेंट होता है और उसी के बेस पे आपको यह श्योरिटी रहती है कि हमने जो रूल करने के लिए जिस पर्सन को चुना है वह हमारी कंट्री के लिए एक्चुअल पर्सन है और राइट पर्सन है. नेक्स्ट है the constitution of India render. Here render means gives us. So fundamental rights, duties, impartial judiciary, member of assembly, etc. These all are decided by according to constitution. Now what is adult suffrage? So here 18 years or above person has right to vote without any discrimination. But one thing is most important, here in this that is our name is enlisted in electoral list, then we can only vote. Next, now the pillars of is second pillar is socialist. In 42nd amendments, the word socialistic also added in the preamble of our constitution. Here, what is the mean of socialism? That means no person rich or no poor person, and all will be treated equally for welfare of our all people and our country. So a person equal treated on the basis of socially, politically and economically as mentioned in preamble. So we can say that socialist is the main feature of our constitution, where abolish all forms of exploitations, every person get equal distributions of income, wealth, resources, etc., and no any discrimination between rich and poor. Now we take secular. So what is secular? Secular means no any discrimination on the basis of religion. Each and every public place are open for all. So India is a secular country. It has no its particular religion. Citizens of India are free to follow any religion, and we can construct the worship place of any religion like temple, mosque, etc., on our private property, but government allows the entry to all communities persons. Pay attention please. We can construct the worship place of any religion like temple, mosque, etc., on our private property, not on government property, because government allow all the peoples to entry all communities persons. So no any person can discriminate for job on the basis of religion, or a person who has ability or qualification, then he can join any particular field of occupation. So we can say that secularism is the basic and mandatory feature of our constitution. Sarvadharma Samdrashti and Sarvadharma Sambhav are the main features of constitution. No any government encourage to any religion, and all the persons equal follow and teach his her religion, belief and faith. Now we take basic features of the constitution in our next video. Thanks to all for seeing this, and I again suggest write all the important notes provided by me in your notebook.